In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a blur image or video background in Elementor, an essential tip for anyone looking to enhance their website design and user experience. Let's dive right into it. Firstly, we need to get ourselves logged into our WordPress site. This is the foundational step, and for many, it might be second nature. But in case you're new to the process, simply head over to your website's login page, enter your username and password, and hit login. Now that we're inside, let's move to the next crucial step. Once you're on your WordPress dashboard, you'll want to navigate over to the left-hand panel and click on Pages. This is where all your site's content is managed, and it's where we'll find the page we want to edit. Look through your listed pages and select the one you wish to work on. Hover over its title and you'll see an option to edit with Elementor pop up. Click on that and in just a few moments you'll be taken to the Elementor interface. Now you should be in the Elementor editor where you can see your page layout. What we want to do here is to adjust some site settings to add our blur effect. Look towards the bottom left corner, you should see a button labeled Site Settings. Go ahead and click on that. Within Site Settings, you will find a Background tab. It might seem like a small step, but this is where the magic begins. Click on Background, and you'll be directed to a new set of options. Next, we need to focus on the Custom CSS section. This might sound a bit technical, but don't worry, I'll guide you through it. Click on Custom CSS, and you'll open a space where you can input your CSS code. Here's where you get to be a bit creative. You'll paste your CSS code right here, and you'll specifically want to adjust the blur value in your CSS code. This is the key to controlling how much blur you would like to apply to your background. You could start with a value of say 5 pixels and tweak it according to your preference. If your site features a video background, the process is similar. By following the same steps, you can easily add a blur effect to video backgrounds as well, creating an aesthetically pleasing and modern look for your pages. Once you're happy with how everything looks, make sure to check your work. You can preview how your page appears with the new blur effect and make any final adjustments. And that's it. You've successfully added a blur image or video background to your Elementor page. This subtle yet impactful change can significantly enhance the visual appeal of your website, making your content stand out. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Remember to like and subscribe for more Elementor tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.